We made $305 in the first day of our put credit spreads strategies. We made $100 from the weekly put credit spreads and $205 from the monthly put credit spreads. Let's see how everything is done. As you see now, the stock market has opened, and our stocks buy is now at $712. We will see what happened if we close the weekly put credit spreads at this price. If we close it, we are going to pay $143 and the market price plus commission. So if you want to close it, let's see. If we want to close it, we are going to pay $130, and we had $100 from it, so it will be a loss for $30. And of course, we are not going to do this right now. The monthly put credit spreads right now, if you want to close it, we are going to pay $230. And we had $205 from it, so it will be a loss for about $20. So of course we are not going to do it. We will give this trade some more time, and as you can see, SPY now is at 712, and our break-even price is $695. So we have so much space to make an error. Now we are going to open the option profit calculator website to see how our trade will be performed this week. So first of all, we are going to choose the SPY ticker symbol, and we are going to write, and that's mean to sell our first contract. We choose the 1st of May for our weekly put credit spreads. We are going to sell the $696, and we are going to buy to open the 1st of May also the $695. Now we will hit also 10 contract because we are selling 10 contract, and we will hit calculate. And as you can see, every day passes, we make more money because the put credit spreads lose value. So when we are going to buy it to close it again, it will be very cheap, and we will make so much money, and we can make the all $100 from the premium. As you see, every day it passes, even if the strike price got up, we will make money. Now we are going to see the monthly put credit spreads. We will choose the 29th of May, and also we are going to sell the $696, and we are going to buy the $695. And as I told you, I am doing an experiment which strategies will make me about $100 or $150 every week, the monthly or the weekly. So in this put credit spreads contract, we are going to make $200, and every day passes, we will make money even if the strike price got up. Even the SPY got up in a price, we're still going to make money. So we will see what will happen when the market is closed today. And now we are in the end of the trading day. As you see, we are going to open our position to see if we close it right now, what will happen, and if we will have more money or less money. The SPY is now at $710. As you see, if we are going to close the weekly put credit spreads, we are going to pay $100 and $30 for the commission, only $100. So we will be even. So because of that, we want to give it more time, so the put credit spreads become more cheap, and we will need to pay less money to close it. And in this way, we are going to make money because we take money to sell, and now we are going to buy it for a cheaper price. And this is the monthly. Now if we close the monthly, we are going to pay about $15 more, and that's okay because we have for the monthly about 31 days to expire, so we have plenty of time, and our break-even price is $695. So if you want to know more about this position. You can see my previous videos about the put credit spreads and the put and call and the option in general. Now the price is $710. I hope I hope next day the price will go up, and if it go down, we have plenty of space. Our break-even price is $695. So please subscribe if you like this content, and I hope we are going to learn together and make so much money together. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe.